days? 2 times. Regularly? Or first time? Sino wala kagad toothbrush? Doon. Tanan ang kagad toothbrush. Tanan may toothbrush. Oh, God. Kaya kung wala kang toothbrush, the John Relaxon will give you later a toothbrush. That's why, dapat maging honest ka kung may toothbrush or wala. Kapag may toothbrush na ka mo, I think hindi na sa maghatag. So, may toothbrush wala. Okay. Pero sa balay may toothbrush. So, okay. We'll start. Ito basic lang niya ang sa inyo, ha? Like, para the next yung balik,